Hello again. I am Engineer Oliver C. Silvano, the developer of the Silvertech Learning Management System. Okay, just recently I have received a report on one of the errors encountered in the release of Silvertech Learning Management System version 30.0.5 Diamond Dale. Now, one of the error encountered is the error when you are going to open the quiz maker or the Silvertech Smart Quiz Maker. No, what happened on that error is that if you're going to open the quiz maker, it will give you a window in a blank and white color. Okay, to give you a view on that, I'm going to show you the video sent to me by who is that? Sorry. So Messenger. Oh, okay, open. Sorry for that. No, I have prepared the resources in advance. Okay, so I think it's where's that name? I think we have this Sir Ray James, no? I think this is the video. So I'm going to play his video. Let's say, in this video, Sir Ray James trying to open the Silvertech Smart Quiz Maker, no? But we can see that in the video, um, it just give him a white uh, colored window. So that should not be the case, because if we are going to open the Silvertech Quiz Maker, like what I will do today. So if I'm going to click on Edtech Tools and then Quiz Maker, it should give you the full feature of the Smart Quiz Maker. Ito dapat yung window, no? Pero sa kanya, ang case sa kanya, white lang, blank lang. That is an error, no? Okay. By the way, that error comes in because I was, I was changing the local storage of the quiz maker. Because I am preparing type of questions which consumes a large amount of quiz. I mean, large amount of storage. So, I am also changing, no? Ang dati kasing quiz maker, ano lang, nasa 5 to 10 MB lang yung capacity ng storage niya. Yung medyo maliit yun, no? So, by the way, that type of exam is the PISA-like. So, I am integrating a PISA-like question. So, dito sa future update natin, magkakaroon na tayo ng PISA-like PISA-like type of examination natin. I think question. Okay? So, now, to resolve that issue, so, ang gagawin lang natin, we just need to navigate on Division Learning Resource Center. And then, after that, we're going to click this online. And then, makikita po natin doon sa, sa online natin dito. Supposedly, ito na yun. We have Matatag, Project ODLR, and then we have the System Fix and Tutorials. So, ang gagawin lang natin, we just need to open this one, and then dito tayo sa Fixes. After sa Fixes, meron tayong Quiz Maker patch. Ito yung fix na sa error na yun, no? Ang gagawin natin, we just need to download for offline viewing, and then I think sinabi na niya na file is already available for offline viewing. So, dito na siya. Nag-download na ako niyan kanina. So, dito na yan siya makikita. So, andito na siya sa offline LR natin. So, pag i-open natin daw, we have these fixes. And then, we have also the patch. So, ang gagawin lang natin, right-click and then download. But, unfortunately, mayroon ding error tong LR Center natin when it comes to downloading our downloaded resources for para save na natin kung saan natin siya gusto i-save. No? Anyway, pag i-click natin yung save, andito siya sa downloads, mangyayari kasi niya, pag-click ng save, dito daw siya sa downloads. Click natin ng yes kung meron talaga siya. Tingnan natin, downloads. Dito ba siya? Downloads. Dito pala. Andito nga. Andito siya sa downloads. So, nada-download ma-download na pala siya natin, no? Okay, that's good. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, andito siya sa downloads. Puntahan natin yung folder na nag-host ng Quizmaker natin. Anyway, pwede na natin to i-close tong LR Center natin. Pati na rin yung Quizmaker. Anyway, also this one. I am going to close this one. Okay? So, after that, I need to open a folder. Any folder. And then I just want to navigate on this PC, and then dito siya sa Drive C. Mostly, ang installation folder ng Silvertech Learning Management natin ay nasa Drive C. And then hanapin natin yung Silvertech files. So, click natin yung Silvertech files, and then yung database natin. And then hanapin natin yung Quiz Maker Home. Andito siya. Yan. So, double click natin siya, at saka lahat ng files na yan under this or inside this folder, Quiz Maker Home. Select natin and right click, and then show option na natin, and then copy. Pwede cut. Cut na lang. Mas maganda yung cut. Dito yung cut. Okay? After that, we will try to create a quiz maker. Delete lang muna natin to kasi kanina nagawa ko na to. So I just wanna select this one, right click, and then new, and then create a new folder. Sabihin lang natin na quiz maker. Okay, after that, we need to open. And after opening, we need to right click and then paste the, yung paste? Ayan. Paste the quiz content of the quiz maker home kanina. So if we are going to get back on the quiz maker home, dito yung quiz maker home. So wala na siyang laman. Okay, so ang gagawin naman natin, punta tayo sa downloads kanina, yung downloads natin kanina, and then yung quiz maker patch, i-copy natin siya. Or cut, pwede na rin yung cut. And then paste natin siya dito sa quiz maker home. Yan. Paste natin siya. So dito. So now, ang gagawin natin, since this is a compressed file or a zip file, so we need to right click this one and WinRAR, use WinRAR. No, I recommend using WinRAR. No, if you don't have, you can install WinRAR, but for my computer, I already have, so I just use the WinRAR to extract. So I will just select extract here para ma-extract yung laman niya dito. So nakita na natin yung build. So, ang gagawin natin, i-open natin yung build, at saka i-copy natin yung lahat ng laman, right-click, and then cut. Cut lang. Pwede na yung cut, and then right-click, and then paste. Dito yung paste. Okay. So, yan na yung file. So, ang gagawin natin, balik tayo sa Silvertech Learning Management natin, and this time, pag mag-open tayo ng Edtech Tools, so since bago na yung may patch na yung Quizmaker natin, pag click natin ng Quizmaker, it should open na ganito na ang mangyayari sa kanya. Kung ano yung mga questions na ginawa nyo dati, dapat nagdi-display siya in this area. Okay? So, since okay na siya, so gagawin lang natin, mag-add tayo ng part. This is crucial. So, kailangan natin itong gawin. Ang gagamitin lang natin ay word bank. So, after creating a word bank, andito na yung word bank question sa baba. Ang ginawa lang natin is we initialize the data. No, kasi nga kaya nag-white yun kasi nga nag-error yung data. So, we need to re-initialize that data. So, paano siya i-initialize is through creating or adding a part. Okay? After that, you can opt to delete the part para kung ano lang yung gawa ninyo, yun na lang yung may iwan. Okay? After that, we can close the quiz maker. So, I think that's the solution. Okay? Pero kailangan pa rin natin na ibalik natin yung dati na mga files ng quiz maker natin. Kasi nga, this patch is not compatible with the current version of Silvertech LMS, which is the Diamondale. Itong Quizmaker na to is still on progress pa itong patch na to, and it will be compatible with the next version release. I think that will be next year by January or February. Okay? So, gagawin na natin, we are going to delete this one. Again, nandito tayo sa this PC. So, ibabrowse ko ulit this PC. And then Drive C or the Windows, and then Silvertech files, database, and then hanapin natin yung Quizmaker Home. Quizmaker Home, yan. And then we are going to delete all these files and folder. Okay? After that, balik na natin yung Quizmaker. Andito na yung yung original na files ng Quizmaker. Andito siya sa desktop. So, kaya ito yung purpose kanina kung bakit kinopya natin siya para maibalik natin siya pagkatapos ng fix natin. So, gagawin natin, kakat lang natin or i-copy, pwede ng copy. And then, right-click and then paste. So, Okay, andito na yung ano natin, yung dating quizmaker natin. So if we're going to open again our LMS and then browse quizmaker, and it should give you this window. Okay, so I think that's it. That's how you fix the error. I am sorry with that. I am apologizing what happened. No, this really happens when I'm going to update one of the modules of the Celbertec Learning Management System. So that's it. Thank you, and I hope you learned something.